How to sell on Facebook Marketplace from business page. So if you want to sell on Facebook Marketplace from your business page, then just follow the steps. First, you need to log into your account and navigate to the marketplace option. And after that, find and click the create new listing button on the left menu. It's your gateway to the marketplace sales. Then it's time to pick your listing type, which you can choose based on your products. You need to showcase your item by uploading 10 high quality pictures. And remember, good pics work like a magnet for buyers. Next, you need to add a catchy title, the price that'll make everyone happy, and all other important details like category, condition, and a description that'll make your items irresistible. And after that, you need to add your approximate location, which will be helpful for both marketplace algorithm and your potential buyers. And in this way, you'll be able to sell your items on your marketplace from your business page. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.